Welcome to the Decorative Lighting Company. In this video we're going to be looking at colour controlling our brand new RGB light tubes, which are fabulous for 2021. The two options for colour control of these units is simplistic lo-fi approach utilising a colour controller and RF remote. And we're also going to be looking at DMX, which is a more high-tech approach for colour control, allowing for more colour arrangements and complex lighting show. We're going to look at basic setup, we're going to look at functionality, we're going to talk about the pros and the cons. Option 1, lo-fi colour control from the Decorative Lighting Company is simplistic. We have the 24 volt power supply, which is running the colour controller and the RGB tubes. It's important to say that for this video we only have one tube plugged in, but you could have one of our 10-metre belts at the end here with 20 tubes attached to that. Additionally, these colour controllers are simple screw together. In fact, the whole system is simple screw together and rated to IP65, and jump straight into this gear very quickly. Screw it together, and likewise the light tubes and the various accessories. These colour controllers offer some beautiful features. A selection of 64 colours utilising the RF remote and the touchpad there. Run your finger around to select the various colour. There's also a brightness control, which we've found to be fabulous. Again, just a very simple touch there for brightness up and brightness down. Our multi-zone remotes also allow for the control of more than one colour controller, and these can be programmed to each of the zones on the remote. There's also a mode button which features various preset factory functions. These can be selected like so, with adjustment of speed up and down to suit. So, we're looking at a lo-fi colour control using two of our colour controllers. Again, we just have one tube on the output of each of these colour controllers, but you could have a 10-metre belt with 20 tubes coming off each of these colour controllers. These universal remotes are going to control both of these colour controllers. In fact, this remote will run up to 4 colour controllers, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we looked at having 4 colour controllers involved, simply the setup would remain the same. Power supply, instead of the 2-way splitter, there would be a 4-way splitter, and then 4 colour controllers. Coming back to the remote, we could have it all keyed to the same remote. Here we go. Option 2 for colour control of our RGB tubes is a more of a high-tech DMX approach. DMX offers unlimited colour arrangements and colour options, and also allows for more complex light shows, also known as scenes. We have the DMX control board, which allows for your colour adjustment and programming your light shows. Here we have a 24 volt power supply, which is running the RGB tubes. We have cabling which runs to the DMX drivers, and we have 5 set up here for demonstration purposes. Again, we highlight that for this video we only have one lighting tube on each of our DMX outputs, but that one lighting tube could actually be one of our 10-metre connectable belts with 20 tubes on it. That the end user will quite likely, or most likely, require a lighting technician. In this case here, we've got a 7-color fade. From the DMX board, we can simply adjust the speed and where this light show goes through. We can also adjust the fade between each of these. The cons, this arrangement, the equipment itself is a lot more costly than a more lo-fi approach. And some of this equipment is not weatherproof, so there will be a requirement for additional setup if we're talking about an outdoor application. Additionally, more specialised staff to install the lighting or the DMX system and to manage the programming of it. There we go, 2 stunning options for colour controlling our new RGB tubes. We trust you have found this to be an informative video, and we welcome your further inquiries to our company. See you on the next decorative lighting video.